to show you how to activate the document splitting in SAP S/4HANA. My name is Nuno Dias, and I've been working with SAP since 2001 with my main focus in FI area. I work as an SAP FICO Contractor. In case you want to reach me out, you can find my LinkedIn ID in the description of this video. If you are just reaching to this channel, its name is SAP at a glance, and the aim is to share SAP knowledge. We are doing a full lifecycle implementation based in finance and controlling. So please subscribe to this channel to receive fresh new videos on a weekly basis. If you are just reaching to this video, which is the activation of the document splitting, and by chance you haven't seen all the configuration, please stop this video now, go to the description and get the video link of YouTube to see the previous ones. So after we have done all the configuration in document splitting for SAP S for an system, is now needed to get it active before the go live. In case you forget to doing this before the go live, you are going to have much more efforts and you might have some inconsistencies in the production system. When you activate the document splitting, the general ledger view of the document will display additional line items by document splitting characteristics defined in the GL accounting. Actually defined in the previous videos where we made this configuration. GL view data is read from BKPF and AC docket tables. And now, without any further ado, let's start. Let's go to the system to make this last step to have your document splitting active. Now we are in the system in the IMG menu. So we get the continuation of the document splitting. Now we are going to do the activation of the document splitting. But before doing that, I don't want to record more videos about this topic. I wanted to show just the extended document splitting. Normally, we are not touching on this, creating new things, but it's just for you to bear in mind that you can be doing it. Here we start from the first one, define document splitting by method. So basically, as I said, we are using the 12, which is the SAP recommends to be using. If you want your own, you need to do it everything from the scratch, or you can use the 012, which is ready to be used. And now the business transactions and variants, we saw it in the previous videos, but I wanted to show that if you do remember that we had unspecific transactions, customer invoice, vendor invoice, and so on. Okay. Now let's go back to see where these transactions are going to be displayed. Assign document splitting methods, okay? We start from the bottom to the top, but I want to just go through to this value. So basically here, this is what we have, okay? This is our method, and then we define the level. Here in this constant, if you do remember in the third video, we add this information with the configuration for this constant because it's the one that we have in for our method. Okay, in case you want to change this for you, you need to go and change here the configuration. Then the splitting rule, this is what I wanted to go and see, because we saw these two, to see here what is going to happening, because we saw this during the configuration. So this is the method. We have the method 12, okay? If you do remember, we had specific postings, and the transactions that were displaying for the specific postings were this one, the 0, which it was configured on this area. We just saw it, and then the variant was also defined from here. That's why we could not change it. Okay, let's go back. And now let's do what I promised in the video, which is the active document splitting. It's pretty simple. We just need to enter, and you see that we have by default coming our methods, okay? And then we just need to go and see is the opposite. We need to see that our company code is unticked. So this is a test system, everything is unticked. But we need to ensure that when we start production, we see that this is not ticked, otherwise we are going to have problems. Now you know how to activate document splitting in SAP S/4HANA. Thanks for watching this video as a full lifecycle implementation series. You can find the next video in the description of this one. Please subscribe this channel to be the first to receive fresh new videos on a weekly basis. See you in the next video.